Morning guys, it's Saturday and I've just arrived at work. Siosi's on his way to work as well.
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you.
This is my salad and it tastes delicious. I'm not a big salad person, but I've got lettuce, avocado, eggs, capsicum, tomato, cucumber, all mixed in together with a little bit of pepper. Hey guys, I just finished work and I'm pretty tired. Just got home and Siosi is chilling.
I'm tired. Just finished work and I'm so tired.
And we're not sure what we're going to do. We're probably going to go to the mall, but I'm not quite sure.
Thank you. Peace out, hot dog.
That was a wonderful voice, Daniel.
Thank you. Peace out, hot dog. I hate you fans who think I'm annoying. You suck. But I love you all for it. Bye. I look fine. I don't even have a double chin. Look. It's the one chin.
Oh my god. I also wanted to show you guys my frozen mango ice blocks that I made. I used the Gippsland brand one and I mashed some fresh mango in there as well. It tastes so good. Today we're also started to look at houses. We did have a plan to stay at home in our family home for up to 2 years maximum, possibly a year and a half, just to save as much money as we can, because we wanted to buy eventually. We wanted to move out to buy, not to move out to rent. But there comes a point where privacy is worth it. It's not worth the money that you save, is not worth, you know, the relationships that break and all the fighting and the bickering of, you know, this is mine and I did this, and just, it's not worth it. So we just want our own space and we're looking into it. We've got a house inspection tomorrow, which you guys will probably see.
Just say you won't let go. When you look over your shoulder, don't admit it, I forget that I'm older. I don't wanna dance with you right now. Oh, you look beautiful as ever, and I swear that every day you get good. You make me feel this way somehow. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know, darling, your love is one worth this around.
This place has the best burgers in Canberra.
What?
So I just ordered our broad burgers. Oh my gosh, my hair is always looking atrocious because I haven't straightened it in such a long time. But I just ordered our broad burgers and we decided to eat here. We were going to take it to the lake but changed our mind.
We eat here. Burger.
Such a beautiful background on you, honey. Just can't see your face. You look so white.
Didn't eat, but first time here in this burger. If I eat, it's better, and I tell you the truth. But trust me, didn't eat before. Only Macca's, Hungry Jack's, and Chinese burger. But here, if I think it's good, I'll tell you the truth.
I don't know if you can see that. Let me try and zoom in. Oh, I don't think you can. But that photo right there, that's how it started. It started in a small caravan, and for like a couple of years, It just started in that small caravan in this car park, just facing us, and it grew so big and famous, everybody loved it, that they opened up this place. Isn't it wonderful? After 20 years of waiting, we finally got our chips. This is a chicken burger with brie cheese. I'll show you when Siosi bites into it. I got the original broad burger with brie cheese as well. Wow. So nice. Go bite into it. We're here at the mall. We're underground parking. That's why it's a little bit dark. But I remembered that I should give you an update on my detox that I apparently started. So you guys probably want an update as well, and I forgot to tell you guys that I actually am starting this week, not last week, because it was my birthday week. I'm gonna start on Monday instead of last week, but I did eat well. I ate like probably 80% good, 20% bad, so it wasn't too bad. But I want to start fully this week, like 100%. And if you're watching and you want to join as well, feel free to join. It's not that hard. Well, it may be hard for some. But basically, it's a fruit smoothie for breakfast, fruit smoothie for lunch, and a salad for dinner. But in between for snacks, I'll just have a piece of fruit. One piece of fruit, and that's it for 2 weeks. So if you think you can do it, then you can post your comments below and let me know how you're all going. And we can do it together. The food forum. 4 for $5. These me mangoes. Oh, mango. We usually get our frozen fruits from Coles, which is the frozen strawberries from here, and oranges and grapes, because they're usually on sale. Some cucumber, some pepper, some tomato. I really want to get like vegetables so that we can just steam them at home and eat them quickly. Just don't know which one's better value. This one's 750 grams for $4. This one's 850 for $4. But I think it's the convenience because this one's got packaging. I don't know. Let's take this. Let's go. Guys, what you all value. I don't know if you can see it. Melema will fit. Ia e ai healthy molo soifua malolo wina. Tipi le ai mea ai fat male McDonald's male KFC. And I'm speaking to myself. Sios is getting his canned tuna for the week, and that's all he likes to eat apparently, because he's trying to get fit as well, or gain muscle. Good work. He remembered the everyday rewards card. What is he doing? He only got 2 cans of tuna and he's taking like all the time in the world.
Any shopping, just go home. That side. Where are you going? Nothing to do at home, just sleeping all the time.
We did not sleep at all today.
Oh yeah, forgot. I'm tired from work. That's why. And now I'm so tired. I buy her a present, but I'm not gonna tell you. I'm giving you a surprise. You know what? It's a camera. I'll get the camera.
I'm the one that edits the vlogs.
Yes, true. That's my present. I'll put Canberra next week. And you see it. You see it. We're going home now. See you when we see you. Bye everyone. We love you so much.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like, subscribe.